This is episode 10A. In this episode, I would like to discuss the principle working from the whole to the part further. There is a line DE. E is not visible from D, and chaining is not possible from D to E. So we construct a triangle DCE. We select any point C. We select any point A on CD and any point B on CE. We take measurements of AC, CB, AB, DA and EB. Using cosine rule, we calculate the angle ACB based on AB, AC, BC. Using cosine rule again, we calculate the length of DE based on angle ACB, DC and EC. I will give a numerical example for calculating DE. Let AB be 4 inches, AC be 5 inches, CB be 4.5 inches, DA be 0.5 inch and EB be 1 inch. We know how to calculate the angle ACB. See episode 3. So angle ACB is 49.456398.1265 degrees. Evidently angle DCE is same. Therefore angle DCE is 49.458398.1265 degrees. DC is DA plus AC. DA is 0.5 inch, AC is 5 inches, so DC is equal to 5.5 inches. EC is equal to CB plus EB. CB is 4.5 inches, EB is 1 inch. So the total is 5.5 inches. We know how to calculate side DE. See episode 4. So DE is equal to 4.601630.14594 inches. But this method is against the principle of surveying. The principle is working from the whole to the part. We have gone from part ABC to whole DCE. ABC is part, and we have gone to DEC, which is whole. This is not permissible in surveying. If we can't avoid violating this principle, we must try to keep the lengths of DA and EB as short as possible. Otherwise, we can, where possible, adopt the following method. Here, we want to find the length of DE. DEC is part and ACB is whole. So from DCE we are going to the whole ABC. So this is according to the principle of working from the whole to the part. Let me give some homework for you. AB is 8 inches, AC is equal to 8 inches, CB is equal to 8 inches. DA is equal to 1 inch, EB is equal to 1 inch. Answer is 9 inches. Second example, AB is 10 inches, AC is equal to 11 inches, CB is equal to 12 inches, DA is equal to 0.5 inch, EB is equal to 1.5 inches. Answer is DE is equal to 10.9744 inches.